Mulligans. I am back with another horizontal plan with me, and this is going to be the last horizontal plan with me that I'm going to do for a while, because in August on Thursdays I'm going to do different plan with me's. I think the first one is the day designer, and then like the happy planner, and then a Lily Pulitzer one. So I'm going to start mixing things up and no longer doing these videos, but I may still feature what I'm doing in my planner update if you guys are interested. But yeah, I just decided that I still really like doing the vertical ones, and I want to keep doing those on Wednesdays because that's my favorite plan with me video. But I want to switch things up because I know not all of you use Erin Condren's. But let's get into this. I'm going to be using these sticker sheets. They come from Michael's. They're not Doris for like the first time ever. But I found these really cute, and I love these houses, and I have a couple of ideas of how to use them in this layout. And I got these from Sarah from Georgia. She's really awesome and sent me that huge care package in that first P.O. box opening video I did, and I am just loving everything she sent. I also am going to see if I can throw in some gold. I'm not sure how this is going to work. This is one of those Happy Planner sticker books, and I'm just really curious to see how it's gonna look. And then I also have these two types of washi tape. This one's gold washi tape, and then I also have this purple washi tape. I think I'm gonna do kind of like a purple and gold theme. I also have the two Erin Condren sticker books here just in case. I like looking through them and using some stuff from them, but we'll just see what happens, I guess. Not really, I don't really plan this one out as much as the other one, and I did a little bit better this week. There's actually stuff happening, but we're just gonna see what happens like we always do. All right, let's add some washi tape just for the heck of it. Start off strong. Probably end up covering up most of this, but it'll be nice if it does peek through. This is really thick stuff. This came from the Target dollar spot, and there's just something about it that makes it super thick and hard to roll. I think I'll use this tape. I want to use it on Sunday, Pen Day, but I don't want to like overdo it. I always worry about that in the beginning, about overdoing things. I have these horizontal weekly hydrate stickers that I'm going to put right over here in the notes section over the thankful thought area, just to track hydration. Alright, I think that's the basic initial stuff. So I'm gonna do these house things because I have this idea in my head of how this is gonna look. I'm gonna make like a town, I guess. So because I don't really use this notes area that much, so I thought doing something like this would be a little cute, like making a little scape or a scenery. Alright, let's flip this up and get started. Going into here and taking maybe this noted one. Oh, I did that really crooked. I'm gonna take this sticker sheet from Let's Plan It and take this little Etsy heart from it. Pop it right there. I've said this in other horizontal plan with me videos, but I really like using the stickers as I go along. It just seems to work easier in this type of layout. So I have this other sampler set from Let's Plan It. All of these sampler sets that I've been using in the past couple of videos came in one large set. You got like 5 different sampler sheets for, I think, $20, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to write in all of the things I have to respond to. There's this really good, nice page in this sticker set with all these little flag pointer things. So I'm going to take the reminder one and write prep September sub, because I want to make sure that the listing is ready and everything's all set for the launch of that on Saturday. Alright, I'm going to take this sticker sheet and move this over a little bit. I really like this tree. I don't know what it is about this tree that I'm just like enamored with. So I'm going to put that over here. And I think I want to make sure I have space to write in everything for the newsletter, because I like to keep track of ahead of time exactly like what I'm going to be putting into it. So I'm looking through this sticker book. And I have this, I think this is the work icon set. And I'm going to take this little laptop because it's purple, try to keep that purple and gold theme going on. And I'll just set this to the side because I feel like I will use that a little bit more in this layout. I have this other sampler set, and I'm going to use this purple box to put it down here. And then I'm going to open my pen because I somehow decided to close it. All right. Blade delivery, because our blades for the silhouette should arrive. I think I'll do the same thing to the Wednesday listing, because then our sticker paper is getting delivered. Just have that consistent thing in each of the days. We have these like really cute like movie clapper stickers. I don't know how to explain this, but I'm gonna put it right next to these, because that's when my videos are going live. All right, let's get back to some stickerage, which is not a word. Take this big one. So nothing's really happening on Thursday. So kind of turn that into like a notes section. Guess, I don't know. Tardis decided to join us. He usually doesn't do this. He's just hanging out. What are you doing, bud? So there is this page that have a bunch of these little like quotes on it that I really like, and it'll be a good way to snazz up Thursday a little bit more. I think I'll add one of these to-do boxes over here, just so I can add in some extra stuff if I realize a little bit later that there are more things that I want to get done. Then I think I'll take this tweet because it's super cute. Put it right here. And then we have these smaller owls on this sheet. I think I'll put this one. All right, flipping over. So I have this gold bar from the Another Fun Way to Plan book, and I think I'll try and see how it looks over here. Let's put it on a Friday. I wonder if I can rip it with this, because I didn't bring scissors over here. That gets the job done. I'm going to take this Celebrate sticker because it's purple, put it up over here, and then right last day. Can't believe it's almost my last day of work. Like, that's crazy to me. I can't even fathom it. So I'm going to take this house sticker, put it right here. I have to do conversations, and the Oh Hello swap, everybody's swap stuff should go out. Pull out this teacher book because I really haven't used this one that much. Oh, this is a cute little purple one. Let's use this. so crooked. Wow. God. Me and crooked stickers are like besties. It's getting a little dark, so I'm going to brighten up the video a bit for you guys. We've had some weird weather today and a lot of storms just keep rolling in, so the lighting is changing a lot. Conversations. Maybe this flower or another one of those. Okay. I think I'm gonna take one of these really large gold boxes because Saturday is when the September subscription goes live. And I want it to be pretty prominent. And it's going live 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Okay. I'm going to take this circle one and then write August birthday code because I email out the coupon code for August birthdays. Take this Instagram sticker from this sampler. Okay. All right, we're now on to Sunday Pun Day. And I'm not sure how I want to do this. This owl is amazing. Look at that thing. That is so cool. Maybe I'll spell out pun because I have all these letters. I'm not doing anything with them. Sure, let's do it. Why not? Should we throw in Pun Day? Yeah, let's move it all over. Get some AY in there. DAY. These are really easy to move, which is nice, in case you were wondering. Nice big Pun Day. This sticker book is super duper awesome. If you're curious, you should definitely get it. It's amazing. Like, these stickers fit really well and they help you keep a really nice theme, and like the fact that they're gold is insane. So I'm going to take that extra Instagram sticker from the set, put it up here, and that is it for all the extra sticky notes. So we can open her up and add in some stickers to make it a little bit cooler. This page, I feel like I definitely did a lot better. Came into my own over here, so we can balance that out on this page with some more stickers, I think. All right, there you have it, my bird spring gold and purple theme. I'm gonna have a fun time trying to name this video. Usually I just say the name of the sticker book I'm using, but I am really not using a sticker book, so maybe I'll go see in what they call it on the packaging that I got these stickers from. But that is going to be it. I really loved how this turned out. I think it's a really cool way of using some unique sticker books, or showing you how you can combine, say, the Happy Planner sticker book with the two Erin Condrens, and then throw a little bit of the Michael sticker books in the mix for a little bit of extra fun. But that is it for this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I have a special surprise for you guys. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you're gonna really enjoy it, and I will see you in that video. Bye.